my paint is dried, and this is what I have. So now I'm gonna use my oil pastels to add in more details. And since I've used green here for the background, greens and yellows, now I'm going to focus on blues. So I'm gonna get the blues, the blue color oil pastels out of my box, including the white and purple, light blue, dark blue, medium blue, and I need a little bit of red for the lily flowers, and a little bit of pink. Okay, so I have pink, red, all shades of blue, light, medium, and dark, and then I have my white. Okay, I'm gonna start by highlighting the bridge a little bit. So I'm gonna take my white and I'm going to add more white across these three curved lines here. Adding more white here to highlight the bridge like this. All right, now I want to take my dark blue and add some more shadow here to make it a little bit darker. Like that. Okay. Now I'm going to take my light blue and I'm going to add some blue to the bottom here, to the bottom of the bridge here. Because there's a shadow under here. This is the bottom of the bridge, so it's underneath, so it needs to be a little bit darker for the shadow. All right, now I'm gonna add a little bit of this same blue to the under part connected to here, right here. Where this dark blue is, I'm just gonna extend it out a little bit more underneath. Okay. I'll add a little bit of blue here to the side. Okay, it's looking better. Now I'm going to take my medium blue and make this go on top of the light blue and make it a little bit darker. All right. That's looking better. Now I'm going to take my dark blue and I'm going to add a little bit here to the bottom as well, right on top of the light blue and the medium blue. It's very creamy, so the colors are mixing together well. There. Okay. Adding a little bit more dark blue here. All right. Now I'm going to add some blue to the water here on the bottom. Okay. Let's see. All right. I have white here for my lily pads. I'm gonna go in and make them a little bit whiter. They're like little ovals, flat ovals. With my white oil pastel. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to add a little bit of blue here into the water. Just in random places like this, adding more blue. I'm gonna try to blend that into the green. To give it a more watery look. All right. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the medium blue or dark blue right underneath these white lily pads. Mix it right in with the white so that it's nice and creamy. Right on the bottom part of the white. Now I'm going to add a little bit of this blue into the blue marks I just made, right on top. And then I'm going to take some pink and add it to the centers of my lily pads here, where the white is. Just mix it right in to the white and on top of the blue. Like that. There. And then I'm going to add a little bit of red. These red flowers. It's kind of like a little V shape or like a W shape. Right on top of the white and the pink. Okay. Now I'm going to take my white and I'm going to mix it in with the blue a little bit to make it a little bit more creamy. I want to blend in the blue marks, so I'm adding white on top. See how when I add the white on top, it just mixes right in to give it a very pastel look. It's blending right into the background. There. That's a little bit better. All right. Now I think I'm going to add some green. I'm going to add more green. So you can pick any green. I have a light green here. And I'm going to add some bushes over here on the side. So in a circular motion, kind of like a squiggly line, I'm going to add some little bushes here on the side. In the pond, there are lots of bushes and trees and shrubs. So I'm going to add some of that in with this round circular motion, taking my oil pastel and then adding these squiggly marks onto the left side like this. If your oil pastel breaks, which mine just did, that's okay. Just use the broken pieces. There. Okay. I'm gonna do the same thing over here on this side to add some bushes over here with this round motion. See how my hand is going round and round and round in circular motions? That's what I'm doing. Adding these bushes here to the top, and then I'm going to add some over here underneath the bridge as well. Everything is very oily because the oil pastels are oily, so everything is blending nicely. There. Okay. There's more and more color being added and more depth. All right, I think I'm gonna take my medium blue now. I have a medium blue and I'm going to add some darkness over here on the bottom. Same circular motion right on top of the green. I'm just adding this medium blue as if there are bushes here on the bottom. Okay? So all a circular motion. And then I'm going to do the same up here. There. And a little bit down here under the bridge. Okay? Now I'm going to take my dark blue and I'm adding some shadow marks right on top here. Right over here, right in the corner, just to make it really dark. This is going to create depth, so it looks like the bushes are in the distance. And on top here, just a little bit of that dark blue. There. Okay. So it's looking better. It's looking good. Anything else? Let's see. I think we're just about done. I look forward to seeing your artwork.